Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. Always an adventure on my channel. Just left the shop right now. It's 9 o'clock at night. Just now getting dark. I grabbed my toe straps, headlamp, my bug out bag. Well, I always have my bug out bag with me, but I just make sure I had it with me. Extra jackets, a couple sodas, a couple waters, some emergency gear, and some gloves and some extra jackets and clothes and whatever, and I'm hauling ass. I gotta go about 9 miles past my place, and then there's a little town of Margie, and one of my very best friends is broke down out in the woods with a deuce-and-a-half military truck stuck in the mud, and he's about 9 miles down one road and then about, I guess, a couple miles down another road. So, oh, the stuff I do for friends, I tell you. He'll get a kick out of watching this video though. But so I'm hauling ass, and I'm gonna go to Margie, and then, you know, like I said, another 9, 10, 11, 12, like 13 miles or whatever it is, gonna be down the road past Margie, which is another little town close to where I live. And just been busy as hell. Today was crazy. Just finished up everything and got the truck unloaded, and then got the call that he was broke down. Sent me a picture. If I remember, I'll try to post the picture that he sent me right here, if I remember. If not, I'll take some pictures and video of the truck when I'm there. It might be a little bit dark, but I'll try to adjust my camera as best as I can. And got my Peyton Speed Shop shirt on, which is badass. Thanks, Peyton. But hopefully I don't get this all messed up. Well, I'll have jackets on, so it don't matter. Been a long ass day though, so that's what we're doing right now. And I was gonna tell you some other stuff that's going on, but it's kind of personal, so I'll keep that part out of it. And yeah, anyway, so when I get there and start working on getting this truck unstuck out of this mud, it might be an all-nighter, we don't know, because like I said, this is a deuce-and-a-half military truck. Thing weighs like, I wouldn't doubt the thing doesn't weigh 5 or 6 tons. Who knows? This thing's huge. But I got a crew of guys that are gonna meet me there. I just got off the phone with him, and when we get there, I'll try to do some more filming. Gonna be a long night. All right, so it's not too bad right now, but he was telling me that when you get up here a ways, it starts getting some bad mud holes and stuff to not haul ass. So I turned off the main highway and on Gimmel Ridge, and now I'm heading back here to where he's at. I gotta turn left up here somewhere. He said it's a couple miles back. I turned left, and then I guess he's down a little ways. So from what he was saying, the wheel grabbed on like a real bad mud hole or whatever, and it just jerked him, you know, pretty much off the side of the road, like right here into the ditch or whatever, and it just sunk the truck. But I'm gonna get off this damn camera so I can pay attention to the road, and like I said, when I get there, I'll try to do some more filming. So I found the Caldwell Road where his truck is buried, and he said it was about 2 or 3 miles back, I guess, maybe 4 miles, I think he said. I don't remember. I know it's back here a ways, but I've already gone about 1.5 miles or so, and there's some not too bad of spots, but you know, you can see where there's some real muddy spots that are on this road. I passed one truck right now. I thought it was them, but you know, coming out of here, whatever, but it was somebody else. But hopefully I come up on them soon. It's raining. It's kind of misty, raining, nasty right now, but hopefully the weather holds off for us. But I don't know, worst case scenario, I guess I'll be sleeping out in the woods. No big deal. Apparently this is them. Man, this doesn't look good. Oh my God. Oh yeah, he got himself in a pickle on this one. So we are in the north woods of Minnesota, in the middle of nowhere, and I mean in the middle of nowhere. No phone service, no nothing. Chains hooked to the trees. You jackass! Say hi to YouTube. This is your Dumbass of the Year award right here. This is what he's stuck in. Oh, we're gonna be sleeping out here tonight in this thing, you know that, right? I'm not cuddling your ass either. Damn. Oh, this is bad. Hey, turn to your right a little bit. So they got the axles, around the wheels, wrapped the chain and straps around the wheels right now. So by wrapping the chain right around there, we've already pulled it. Whoa, big hole. From all the way down there, all the way. And now it's actually coming out of the ditch. So it's working. Moving trucks back right now, and we should have this thing up on the road pretty soon. Hey, if all I'm doing is filming, does that mean I'm the camera lady? Oh yeah, good times. So moral of the story is, if you're not succeeding, keep on sucking. You got that bitch out. Yeah. Oh man, off to another adventure. Kicking ass. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys on the next video. Later.